Good morning, dear students. Myself, Mr. Prashant Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, Sagar Institute of Science, Technology and Engineering, Sisteki, Ratibad, Bhopal. In Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering series, we are covering Unit 5th, that is Basic Electronics. And today we are going to discuss about exclusive gates, means X gates. We will also discuss logic symbolic of exclusive gates. We will discuss with the truth table and we will understand working operation. In the last two videos, we discussed about base operation of basic gates, like we discussed operation of OR gate, NOR gate, AND gate, and we also discussed NAND gate and NOR gate as a they uses as of universal gates. And today we are going to discuss about XOR gate and XNOR gate. These XOR gate and XNOR gate are called universal gates. So let's discuss the first, that is XOR gate. I can say exclusive OR gate. Here I have taken two inputs exclusive OR gate where inputs are A and B, and the output of this exclusive gate is represented by the symbolically Y. The output Y is the A exclusive B. Here we will understand what is the meaning of A exclusive B, means A XOR B. The output of exclusive OR gate A exclusive B can be written as A bar B plus AB bar, means with the help of different logical operation of different basic gates, we can find out the output Y equal to A bar B plus AB bar, where A bar is just complement of input A, and here B bar is also just complement of input B. This is the symbolic representation of exclusive OR gate, where A and B is input and Y is as the output. Here I have taken two AND gate operation and one OR gate and two inverted or buffer gate, so that we can get the output of exclusive OR gate. Here the input A and B as a primary input to the NOT gate, and the output of NOT gate is A bar, and similarly the output of NOT gate in the second case is B bar.
Here, for the first AND gate, we have taken two inputs. The first is A bar and second is input as B. Means A and B are here two inputs for the AND gate, and we know that the output of AND gate operation is A bar dot B. Similarly, for the second AND gate, I have taken the first input as A and second input B is first passed to the NOT gate, and output will be B bar. Similarly, the output of this AND gate will be A dot B bar. When we apply A bar dot B and A dot B bar as input of OR gate, here the output of OR gate will be the OR operation of both input, and this is A bar B plus AB bar. Means I can say for the exclusive OR gate or XOR gate, the output is A bar B plus A bar B plus AB bar. Symbolically, it is represented as A exclusive OR B. When the both inputs are low, means A and B both are low, in that case the output will be 0. When the first input is low but the second input is high, B is high, then output will be 1, means high. In the third case, when the first input is high but second input is low, then the output will be also high. And when both inputs will be high, in that case the output will also low. Means you can see here, in the case first, when both bits are low, then output will be low, and the second case, when both inputs are high, in that case also output will be also low. Means the exclusive OR gate gives high bit, means high output, means give output only the case when any one of bit is low and another one is high. So this is called exclusive OR gate operation. Let's discuss XNOR gate. When we talk XNOR gate, means exclusive NOR gate, then I can say its operation is just opposite to the operation of XOR gate. Means the basic difference between XOR gate and XNOR gate is only that the output of XNOR gate is just complement or just opposite to the XOR gate. The XOR gate implies operation of XOR gate, and it is just inversion of XOR gate output. Here I have taken two input A and B, and the output is Y. This is the symbolic representation of XNOR gate. You can see here this XNOR gate is just combination of XOR gate plus NOT gate, means the output of XOR gate is applied to the input as a NOT gate, and finally the output of that NOT gate is called exclusive NOR gate output. Dear students, with the help of this detailed diagram, logical diagram, we can understand the operation of XNOR gate. Here we have taken two input. The first is A and second is B. The input A and B is going to apply as an input to the two AND gates. Here in the case first, where I have taken two NOT gate, and the output of NOT gate is A bar, and similarly output of second is B bar, and we apply A bar as and B bar as the input of AND gate, and finally we get A bar dot B bar. Similarly, here two inputs A and B are as the input of AND gate, and the output is A dot B. The output of both AND gates are used as the input of the OR gate, and after the OR operation we can find out A bar dot B bar plus AB, means this is called the output of exclusive NOR gate. You can see here, when we talk about the symbolic representation of output of exclusive NOR gate, you can see A exclusive B was the output of exclusive OR gate, and A exclusive B bar is the output of exclusive NOR gate. When we talk about truth table of exclusive OR gate, with the help of truth table, we can understand the operation of exclusive NOR gate. Here you can see when both inputs are high, both inputs are low. In the case first, means A is 0 and B is also 0, then output of exclusive NOR gate will be high. When the input A is 0 and input B is high, here in the case output exclusive NOR gate will be low. In the third case, when input A is high and input B is low, in that case also the output of exclusive NOR gate is low. And in the next case, when both inputs are high, then output of exclusive NOR gate is high. Means the output of exclusive NOR gate is just complement of the output of exclusive OR gate. That's why I said here the exclusive or NOR gate is just the complement of output of exclusive OR gate. So this is all about the exclusive NOR gate. Dear students, if you have any kind of doubt, then please write in the comment box. I hope you understood what are the realization of exclusive OR gate and what are the realization of exclusive NOR gate. If you have any kind of suggestion, please also mention in the comment box. Dear students, for the reference sources, I have taken some concepts from the basic electronic concepts from the books Electronic Devices and Circuits, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, and I have also taken some images from the Google, means www.google.com. This is all about today's lecture. Hope you got my points. If you have any kind of doubt, please mention in the comment box. If you have any kind of suggestion, please also mention in the comment box. If you want that I will teach you any other topic, relevant topic to the basic electronics engineering, then please mention it also in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Be safe, be at home.